downpour when it says it's going to disappear. So right now, it says that we're at the height of the rain, basically.
Yeah, I did. And he kind of cool, but
I'm just like about this.
When we came to visit the property, we were looking all around and we saw the round pen with the view behind us, and it was just so
What would you like, love? Good? I'm good.
I want to say that I've noticed more and more that when you put together an event for people and it's just something that they get to spectate in, it can be wonderful and it can be magical, but there is an added element when people get to participate. And I know it was against your will, but all the same, this day doesn't happen without everyone here doing what they've done and being a part of it and being willing to play with us and just, yeah, be family. Be family. Be family.
And then I skedaddle. So
It's absolute perfection for that. Like,
okay, come on. In the middle. In the middle.
Thank you so much for creating this insanely magical experience for all of us. This is like such a memorable weekend wedding. This is amazing, and we love you, and you're the life of the party. You're one of the funnest people I know. You really are a unicorn. We're all so lucky to have you. We love you. Oh, I love you.
As for Alex, what is there to be said? Honestly, everybody knows and loves his charm and ready smile and his easygoing nature. He just has that innate sense of knowing how to love people, really.
So then Alex is kind of, well, they've been together enough years now, right? So he's definitely a part of our family now, and we love you, Alex.
We can only find the meaning of a God laid open.
Want to help my mom? You got it, mom?
Peel it off. Let me go. Hold our heart out.
One of the most powerful ingredients of a wedding ceremony is the agreement and support that you, their family and friends, contribute to it.
Okay.
We're gathered here to join together Alyssa and Alex in marriage. They stand here with the intent of joining their hands in their lives so that for the rest of their days they may live together in happiness and strength.
When it comes to love, You are my purpose. You've been my goal, and you will always be my game. I learned young that magic tricks were just tricks, never something beyond the realm of the possible, but I wanted impossible. I wanted unexplainable. I wanted a phenomenon that I could revel and wonder at, that no explanation could tarnish. And you are that magic that I may never be able to explain, but which I will always enjoy with wide-eyed wonder. I don't know what I could give you that compares to that. Nothing can touch the value of something beyond this world. But I've done my best to give you something for the magic you give me. And I will always do, and give you what I can to make sharing your magic worth your while.
I promise to make you laugh out loud, to laugh at your puns and dad jokes, to be your partner in parenthood and your ally in conflict. I'm gonna go faster. I promise to establish a relationship in which the independence is equal, dependence is mutual, and the obligation is reciprocal. I promise to never stop cooking you yummy foods.
Slow down.
I've got this. I promise to stand beside you, us against the world from here on out. I know life can get rough, we will have our ups and downs, but I vow to communicate and work through the downs and to celebrate the ups. I am so excited to embark upon this journey of marriage with you. You make me happier than I could ever imagine and more loved than I ever thought possible. Better than I was, more than I am, and all of this happened by taking your hand.
All you need is love. All you need is love.
All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need.
Allora.
Alice and Alyssa, you are both very strong, determined, and creative people. And what I say to you is to take that strength, that determination, and the creativity, and apply that to your relationship. And if you do that, you can't go wrong.
The funny thing is that I've found is your marriage fundamentally exists through your create. And so it'll only be as hard as you make it. Yes, work at it every day, but have a great time doing it. And when it feels hard, take a step back, think of today, have a fresh look. I bet you'll find it's not as hard as it feels. And when the going gets a little tough, reaffirm the agreement, contribute to the idea, and remember your undeniable love for each other, and it'll be back to easy in no time. Cintani.